Good afternoon, everybody. This is Todd Smith with Level 5 Financial. Checking in with you this Friday afternoon before I start this weekend. As you know, one of my goals this year was to send out some more content and check in more regularly, just really to share what new developments we see in financial planning, what kind of hot topics there are, and then just general topics or concepts that we see day in and day out running a wealth management firm. But today I just wanted to share something a little bit about me. I took the plunge. I took the plunge to learn more about the fascinating space of digital assets and cryptocurrency. There's tons of information out there on the interwebs, as well as popular media about Bitcoin. So I'm sure you've heard about it. Maybe you've invested in it, or you know somebody that does. But like many of you, I've been a little bit skeptical, and of course, when I am managing money for clients, I have to be very careful in terms of what type of investments and what type of asset classes we may recommend. So I was, to be honest, a little intimidated, and being a non-technical type, I had a lot of questions. So some of the questions I had, like you, probably is crypto and Bitcoin, is this all a fad? Is this really like digital gold, or is it not? And even more fundamentally than that was, what is this? How does Bitcoin mining really work? If it's something we want to explore, is it really just for accredited investors or ultra high net worth clients? Is it really suitable for any clients at all? I also heard things like it was bad for the environment, and not even understanding what mining meant, I didn't quite understand that correlation with environmental impact. And finally, it was like, if you were to invest in this space, what were or are the best investment vehicles? And on it went. So I decided it was time to educate myself. And instead of going on the internet, I decided to find a class. So I educated myself by completing the certificate in blockchain and digital assets, which is designed for financial services professionals like myself. It's designed by the Council of Financial Professionals, as well as the New York Institute of Finance. And I did this because I'm really committed to providing all the information and all the advice that clients and others need about anything to do with wealth management, investment, and investing. And of course, I too am an investor. So I just want to let you guys know, if you have any questions about that, please reach out. I have sent an email to people notifying them as well. I'm happy to talk about it. It's a fun and interesting topic, and I learn every day. And then also just look for more videos. We'll be talking about all sorts of things so that you can learn more in subsequent videos. I learned things about Bitcoin, blockchain technology, which is also referred to as distributed ledger technology. I learned all about coins and digital assets and digital currencies and things called second layer protocols. I also tackled the fun topics of taxes and regulations and operations. Is this something that we could incorporate into a wealth management business? And then lastly, how would I roll this out to investors that we try to serve every day? Can we do that in a prudent manner? So lots to talk about. I will try to break it up in small pieces, and then we'll probably even have an educational webinar or event at some point over time, because I think it's important. And I don't think that the blockchain technology specifically is going anywhere. It's probably here to stay. So keep an eye out for more coming. Reach out if you have any questions, level5financial.com. Other than that, thanks for your listen today. Have a great weekend. And here's to your continued success. Take care. Bye-bye.